buying a truck. Simplified, streamlined, delivered. At MJ TruckNation, we understand your time is valuable. That's why we've made sourcing your next truck as easy as possible. Whether you're buying locally or from across the country, our smooth sales process ensures you get exactly what you need when you need it. So how does it work? Start by exploring our extensive inventory at mjtrucknation.com. Whether you need a box truck, flatbed, dump, or pest control truck, you'll find hundreds of vehicles to choose from. To help you dial in on the perfect investment, our listings include high-quality photos and detailed specs. Once you've found your match, simply call or text to speak with a sales representative. They'll provide an extensive quote and in-depth expertise on your chosen truck, as well as the links to fill out our online deposit and credit application. When you're ready, place your secure deposit to reserve your truck immediately. There's no need to visit the dealership. Complete your purchase from anywhere using DocuSign. Our digital contracts are fast, secure, and easy to use. Finally, choose to pick up your truck at our dealership or have it delivered straight to your business, wherever your fleet calls home. At MJ TruckNation, your convenience comes first. But don't just take it from us. Hear from our customers.
It's always a pleasure working with the MJ team. I've purchased multiple trucks from them in the past few years. They make the process very easy.
I did the entire transaction from out of town. Showed up, and within 10 minutes I was driving away in my new vehicle. The process was very simple, and they had great communication.
At MJ TruckNation, we've redefined how businesses buy trucks. Our goal is to save time, reduce stress, and deliver the best experience in the auto market. All so our customers can focus on the open road.
Ready to take your fleet up a gear? Visit mjtrucknation.com today to get started. Your next truck is just a click away.
Hey guys, Bethany here with MJ TruckNation. Today I'm going to be showing you around the new Hino 155 DC. Come on, let's take a look. Outstanding performance, great warranty coverage, and exceptional maneuverability are all features that you'll find in this Hino and every one of ours, including the 155 DC. The Hino 155 features a fully galvanized steel cab with extra rigidity for ride comfort and noise reduction. It also has a higher driver position that allows the driver to gain a wide perspective of the road, while also maintaining a good feel for the corners of the hood. Drivers will love this truck. Bluetooth radio, power windows and locks, and cruise control are just a few of the features that set this Hino 155 apart. The Hino 155 is powered by a 4-cylinder diesel engine that's engineered for maximum performance and fuel economy. Combined with a 6-speed automatic transmission, your crew will rave about how smooth this ride is. The Hino 155 has a 14,500 GVW. This allows your team to haul shrubs, tree trimmings, and mulch in this durable 14-foot aluminum dump. All of these amazing features are backed by a 5-year, 200,000-mile engine warranty that'll give owners peace of mind. It doesn't take long to realize the value of a Hino truck. These trucks stay on the road, allowing you to minimize downtime while elevating business revenue. Thanks for checking us out today. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to making you a part of the MJ TruckNation family.
MJ TruckNation. Your fleet, your future, our trucks. MJ TruckNation wants to remind you to take advantage of the Section 179 tax incentive or inform you of how to do so. Section 179 is essentially a tax code tailored for small businesses to encourage them to buy equipment and invest in themselves. And by equipment, we mean a truck. It allows you to accelerate the depreciation of your truck and deduct its full purchase price from your taxable income. In other words, you are saving money. Sounds great, right? All you have to do is act fast and file it for the same year you purchase your truck. It is paramount that you be proactive because, as we all know, buying the right truck can be a process, and you don't want to miss your chance because you waited too long. If you have questions regarding Section 179, call or come visit us. We look forward to helping you. MJ TruckNation. Your fleet, your future, our trucks.
How's it going, guys? I'm Alejandro. I'm with MJ TruckNation, and I'm here today with Tim from Apex Equipment.
Hey, y'all doing?
We're excited to bring to you guys a new product that we feel would be a great addition to your fleet. We're going over the Hino L7 with the swap loader 214 hook lift. Today I'll go over the chassis, and then Tim will go over the body itself. This truck here is Hino's newest product. If you're not familiar with Hino, Hino is Toyota's commercial vehicle. As many people are aware, Toyota is one of the most reliable vehicles on the market. This is their commercial grade truck. This truck here has a 33,000 GVW. It comes with a Cummins 6.7 liter motor and an Allison 3000 RDS transmission. It also has the LED lights. It comes with air brakes. And as far as the truck equipment goes, Tim can explain that part for you.
Hi, I'm Tim with Apex Equipment. We upfit the swap loader SL214A, which is an adjustable hook lift hoist in the 20,000 pound range. This hook lift hoist was designed for the GVWR of 25,000 to 33,000 pounds, or 35,000 if you want to pay for federal excise tax. The unit is pretty simple. There's no electronics on this unit from front to back, top to bottom. It is 100% either controlled by air, hydraulic, or a controlled linkage. The adjustable portion of the swap loader hook lift is right here on the front tree. This hook has the ability to go from 36 inches to 54 inches. What this allows you to do is to get different hook lift container heights. We always talk about different container lengths and what my hook lift and how long of a container and what size container I can carry. A lot of people really concern themselves with simply the length of what they can do, and they don't really understand that height has just as much of a factor of what yardage we can carry as well as length. So swap loader offers an adjustable option that Apex puts on every single upfit. MJ TruckNation was absolutely amazing to get a fully loaded swap loader hoist for you guys, and we have it here. This hook is currently set at 36 inches. There's a very quick pin right here that I can pull out with a cotter pin on the back side. It's a main 2.5 inch pin. It'll allow me within a second to flip the hook, of which I'll demonstrate later. That'll take me within 15 to 20 seconds from doing a 36 container height can up to a 54 inch can. We talk about some of the features that make swap loaders stand out. Some of the biggest things that are there are solid manufacturing, American made products, American steel, and cylinders that are all dual, double checked, pressured at 3,250 PSI. Another great feature of this hook lift hoist is actually on the back, so I'd like to bring it back here and show you. The swap loader hoist has an adjustable shim package back here. What does this do and why is it important? We all know that different manufacturers all have a standard spec, but there is always slight deviations between that. While the interior rail dimension on this hoist should be at 34, we have the ability to go up to 35 inches wide. The reason why we have that ability is not every container is created equal, and some are a little bit more worn out or beat up than the others. This gives you a better, wider range to select more containers. between brand new containers, used containers, tall containers, and short containers. Every hook lift should always have a pintle package. Whether it's a Reese receiver, a 2-inch ball hitch, or a full, as this is labeled out, a 20-ton, 40,000-pound pintle hitch. One of the most common things that we see hook lift operators doing is operating in-dump applications and transferring equipment to multiple job sites. This is one of the few refuse pieces of equipment that's actually sold with a completely flat rear end, meaning that there is no manufactured length behind the end of the frame. This flat end frame allows you to tow equipment behind you. This brings multiple applications to the job site. Every pin and weldment on this system in the back is greasable and has wearable bushings inside. So you're able to do your in-level maintenance as you go. We don't have to replace weldments, steel items, as long as we catch our maintenance protocols in time. I will show you a little bit more when we go to operate the hoist. The hoist operates off of 3 pieces. You have a main frame, which is the lifeblood of your hoist. You have a subframe, which is the center part of your hoist. This part of your hoist does almost all of the action. And then you have your hook. This is your interface that's going to touch the loader, extend in and out. Another important part are locks. It's very important to understand that these locks are translocatable. So if I have to move it more to the back to accommodate your container, it can be done. They can also be slid forward. If you're operating this truck in the state of Florida and over 35 other states inside the United States, we do have a cover your load law here in this state as well as many others. Cover your load law is simple. If you have an open container, you must have a tarp to cover that container. You're not required to have a truck system that tarps that container for you, but this simple and easy electric over hydraulic system will tarp your container in less than 10 seconds and you don't have to manually do it. So what container lengths can the SL214A carry? The SL214A carries 2 sets of lengths. We have an optimal length and we have a potential length. We have to talk about potential secondly. Optimal lengths are 14 to 16 foot. If you have a 14 to 16 foot container, in any size and configuration of that container will fit on this hoist and operate correctly. If you have a 12-foot container, the jib can be moved 24 inches back on an unrested position to carry that container if that's what we need to do. If we have a 18-foot container, an 18-foot container will have a 4-foot reveal off of the back of this truck. In order to legally carry that load, which we have the ability to, a drop bumper can be installed on either the container's rear or the back of the bumper. If it's on the back of the pintle plate, it's called a roll bumper. If it's on the back of a container, it's called an ICC bumper. Either one of those bumpers installed will legally allow you to carry up to 18-foot containers. I'm going to operate the hoist now so that everybody has an understanding of how the swap loader SL214A works on the Hino L7. We have a good opportunity while we're here with the unit is in what we considered load and unload mode. There are 2 functions of the swap loader hoist, to load and unload and to dump and then obviously retract. In this aspect, we have the swap loader adjustable hook that we're gonna go ahead and flip around. We have a cotter pin to keep a hold of. You have a main pin here you want to support and you will drop it down nice and slow. Switching my hook height is that simple. My retainer's locked, I'm now safe to operate. This is pretty common if we come up to a container that we might have been running the container beforehand, might have been a 36-inch hook height container. Now then our next stop might be a 54-inch larger size container. Maybe we're going from a 12-yard to a 20-yard container. This is how we would operate and change that to have the swap loader hoist be able to take multiple lengths and heights of containers. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. We really appreciate you taking out the time to watch our video and watch a tutorial on the new products coming out between MJ TruckNation and Apex Equipment Upfitting.
We hope you guys are as excited about this product as we are. We feel like this is a product that could definitely last the test of time. Guys, give us a call with any questions. We're here to help any way we can. Phone number here at our dealership, 561-840-9800. Again, that's 561-840-9800. We're here to help any way we can.
You can always reach me, Tim, at apexequipment.com via email or at 561-842-0101. Just ask for Tim.
I'm Maxo Jimenez, and I was born in Guatemala and I grew up in California. When I came here to Florida, I was very lucky that I worked for this guy that he was a teacher at Broward Community College, and he used to teach everything that was related about landscape. This guy knew everything about plants. I mean, what would be wrong with a plant, what a plant would need to really develop better. So I decided to open up my own business, and here I am. The challenge that I faced were competition, thinking that if I was going to make it. Using a Isuzu dump truck changed my business. Actually, it changed it big time. When I called MJ, the guy told me, come and pick up your truck, tell me what you want, give us the deposit. The next day he called me, said your truck is ready, signed the papers, and I drove the truck with no problems. I never heard the word no with MJ. I would recommend it to anybody. It was the best thing that happened to me, and I'm so happy. Thank you, MJ. My business is not just about cutting the grass. We do pressure cleaning, we do exotic gardens, we do exotic waterfalls. We have a very, very unique way to do things. A&R Outdoor Creations came out that, of course, A stands for Axel, my name, and R is for Reina, which is my wife's name. The things that draw me into the landscape and the natural stuff and Mother Nature, we can call it, actually that's the best word to describe it. I just love it.
Hi, my name is Steve Warshay. I'm the Vice President of Coastal Painting Company. We're a very unique company, started in 1990, and to present day, we are a company that has a mission, and that is to do the job correctly, always do the job correctly. And as a result, our company has grown tremendously. In 1990, Coastal Painting was not known as Coastal Painting. It was known as Paul E. Hahn and Son. It was a very small company with a father and son team. And they started adding more and more people. They added a gentleman named Bob Giaquitti, who is my partner now and the president of the company, and my brother-in-law. And he suggested they change the name to a more professional name, which was, of course, Coastal. And we've designed, along with MJ TruckNation, these beautiful Isuzu trucks which carry our chemical and our men to the job in a very professional way, and has resulted in tremendous reference building, because when people see these beautiful trucks, they see our name and the phone rings off the hook. I think the most exciting thing for me as a person, and it creates excitement around me in the company, is the ability to be creative, to create a fleet of trucks, to develop Rooficide from nothing when everyone laughed at this concept. We took the ball and ran with it, made it successful. I think the most exciting thing is to see new divisions open up and new areas open up. I can cap it by saying this. I had a customer say to me one day, "How are you?" And I said, "Well, I'm fine, but the world is pretty messed up considering TV and everything." But Coastal Painting, if the world was like Coastal, I have to be honest, I would be very, very happy.
Hey guys, Bethany here with MJ TruckNation. Today I'll be showing you around one of our Isuzu NPR HD spray trucks. This truck features a 600-gallon fiberglass main tank and a 250-gallon drop tank, all built on a rugged 14-foot aluminum flatbed. One of the great things about this truck is the fiberglass deck-mounted storage boxes. These keep all of your equipment and supplies secure and out of the elements. Within the passenger side storage box, you'll find the engine, pump, and hoses that power this truck. Auto retract electric reels allows you to quickly wind up your hoses, saving you time throughout your busy workday. This drop tank features a 150-gallon, 50-gallon split, allowing you to separate herbicides and fertilizers so that you don't have to worry about cross-contamination. The driver's side of the truck also features an 80-inch side storage box, allowing you to store extra supplies and pump equipment for future use. Thanks for checking us out today. If you have any questions about this spray truck, give us a call. We look forward to making you a part of the MJ TruckNation family.
Good morning. My name is Dave Kramer. I'm the general manager here at MJ TruckNation. Today we're going to talk about liftgates. We are an authorized dealer of Anthony liftgates, which are built in the U.S., one of the best known providers and one of the most trusted builders of tuckaway liftgates. We have them always available for sale loose, or they can be installed here at our on-site body shop with MJ Collision Center. We carry both 96 wide and 102 wide lift gates. The 96 wides are made of steel and can handle a 2,000 pound weight capacity, whereas the larger, wider lift gates are aluminum and can carry up to 3,300 pounds. Great benefits of these lift gates outside of always being available. They are level ride, gives the customer a really easy process of unloading their load without damaging any of the goods that are being delivered, or vice versa, anything that's being put back into the truck. And you always have the ability to open your roll door on your box truck, even when the lift gate is out, because of the tuck-away design of all of the Anthony lift gates that we carry. Most dealerships don't carry the amount of inventory that we do. So generally speaking, when you are coming here to purchase a liftgate, the lead time is much shorter than most of our competition. We also do installation directly on site, including welding here at MJ Collision Center. So it is a one-stop shop because we know how important it is for your business to get your truck back on the road as fast as possible. Please come on over to MJ TruckNation or MJ Collision Center. We are always ready for you and excited for the business opportunity to install and sell you a liftgate in the future.
Hey guys, Bethany here with MJ TruckNation, and today I'll be showing you around the new Isuzu NPR HD ProSkate van. Designed specifically to meet the needs of lawn, landscape, and nursery professionals, the ProSkate van makes it easy to transport, protect, and secure everything you need to do your job. Fitted with a 16-foot Morgan landscape box, the ProSkate van eliminates the need for a pickup truck trailer combination. Side door access along with a pull-out step allows for your workers to get easily in and out of the back of your truck. Coming around the back of the truck, you can see the integrated fold-out ramp built into the back of the box. This ramp features all aluminum hinges, heavy-duty locks, and a welded aluminum frame that provides strength and durability. A spring assist feature allows the ramp to easily be opened and lowered so that you can drive mowers and other equipment directly into the back of the truck. All aluminum cloverleaf treading, tread tape, and grooved aluminum provide unmatched traction, allowing easy entry for zero-turn mowers. Inside the box, you'll see added features. Plywood lining is fitted with one row of E-track, allowing you to secure any equipment. Translucent roof is also available to illuminate the box of the truck during daytime use. The Isuzu ProSkate van is powered by a V8 gasoline engine and has a gross vehicle weight of 14,500 pounds. All of these amazing features are backed by Isuzu's 5-year, 75,000-mile powertrain warranty. Thanks for joining our tour today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call. We look forward to making you a part of the MJ TruckNation family.
Hey everybody, I'm Tyler Perkins. I'm the service manager here at MJ TruckNation. Just wanted to showcase how we change a tire here at MJ TruckNation. We have invested quite a bit of money into a Hunter tire machine, which is state of the art. When your vehicle has 6 tires on it, we want to make sure that we can get you in and out as fast as possible. This Hunter state of the art machine uses heavy hydraulic carriage system and rollers to make sure that this is a one-person job as well, so we don't need multiple techs on this. And with a one-tech machine, you can have all your tires done in about half a day. So I just want to kind of go over the process of us changing a tire here. So the technician would bring a tire over, dismount it from the vehicle, bring it over to the machine, attach it to the machine, And his goal is to keep your rim and your tire as safe as possible. So not to damage your rim in any way and not to damage the new tire in any way possible. Lubricating the tire so the bead does not break or rip in any way, shape, or form. So as he brings the tire over to the machine, he's going to install it on our state-of-the-art Hunter machine. Once the tire is replaced and mounted, he'll bring the tire over to the balancing machine here. This is where he'll road force and balance the tire and make sure that your truck is driving as smooth as possible without any bumps or anything along the way as you're driving down the highway. So this machine, what it does is it weighs the impurities and the weight differences in the rim to the tire and road forces and road matches the tire to the rim. And then we add weights according to what the machine will spit out on our screen here. So as you can see, we got 0.75 ounces needed on this side of the rim, and we actually have 3 ounces needed on this side of the rim. So once these weights are added to the rim, we'll do the balancing one more time, and from there it should be good. As the truck is rolling down the street and rolling at highway speeds and so forth, the tires will not be bouncing, so you'll have a smooth and efficient drive. So if you have any tires needing replacement, please don't hesitate to call us at MJ TruckNation to book your next service appointment so we can get all 6 of your tires replaced and your truck moving forward and your business moving forward, more importantly.
Hey guys, Bethany here with MJ TruckNation, and today I'll be showing you around the Hino 268 box truck. The 268 earned the 2010 ATG Truck of the Year distinction and has continually set the gold standard for moving and delivery trucks. Featuring a Toyota-inspired cab design, the interior has many features that your drivers will love. AC, tilt, and telescopic steering and cruise control are all standard on the Hino 268. A comfortable air ride driver's seat along with a 2-person passenger seat allows for up to 3 crew members in the cab. The 268 is powered by a Hino J080 turbocharged diesel engine that is covered by a 5-year, 250,000-mile warranty. The 268 comes with an automatic 6-speed Allison transmission that provides smooth and seamless power shifts. This allows for faster acceleration while maintaining fuel efficiency. This 26-foot box allows you to maximize cargo space so you can move your cargo more efficiently. Side door access allows for easy entry into the box. A variety of tie-down options, including the most popular E-Track shown here, make it easy to load, unload, and secure cargo of all sizes and configurations. This truck is fitted with a Tommy Gate hydraulic liftgate that has a 3,000-pound capacity. This allows you to lift heavier cargo safely and efficiently in order to maximize your time throughout the day. The Hino 268 combines power and maneuverability to get your cargo to its destination every time. Quicker route times throughout the day allow for increased productivity and profit for your business. Thanks for checking us out. Please give us a call, and we look forward to making you a part of the MJ TruckNation family.
MJ TruckNation, your premier dealer for Isuzu, Hino, Fuso, and Cummins. Today we're taking you into the shop to watch our trained technician Trevor perform a comprehensive PM oil service and a multi-point inspection on an Isuzu MPR gas truck. This process begins with a rigorous inspection of the entire truck. Trevor will measure front and rear brake wear. He inspects all exterior lighting. He'll examine the suspension and undercarriage for any leaks or loose components. He'll check springs, shocks, U-bolts, exhaust, and motor mounts, verifying the integrity of all components to ensure you stay safe and compliant on the road. From here, he checks tire conditions, measuring tread depth, records any nails or punctures, any alignment issues or balance issues. He will begin to check around the engine, checking belts, hoses, exhaust leaks, any existing fluid conditions. Next, Trevor will drain the old oil, inspecting the oil for any impurities. Trevor will begin to grease the chassis of the truck, which lubricates mechanical components to limit friction. He will also continue examining for more faulty components. Trevor will install a new Isuzu OEM oil filter. And he also fill the oil with premium synthetic to ensure the highest quality performance of your truck. Trevor inflates the tires to the correct PSI. And finally, he will run the engine to check for leaks, double check that the oil levels are perfect. We document every detail for your service advisor, ensuring you know exactly what's going on with your vehicle before it ever leaves our shop. Please call 561-840-9800 or visit our website to schedule your next oil change. We want to keep your truck and your company moving forward.
MJ TruckNation. Your fleet, your future, our trucks.
Hey guys, I'm Bethany with MJ TruckNation, and today I'll be showing you around the new Isuzu NPR dump truck. The N-Series delivers both power and flexibility to ensure that all of your business needs are met. Our crew cab comfortably sits 7 of your team members. And worth noting is our 3-hole tool holder. Holds your shovels, rakes, whatever you need to get through your workday. I'm going to take you around here to our tunnel toolbox, and you'll see there's plenty of storage for all of your equipment. This truck also features a 14-foot tapered aluminum dump. So we'll go around the back here and I'm going to show you our barn doors. Super convenient for unloading all of your tree trimmings and any of your other needs for your business. Also features our receiver hitch. It's going to allow you to attach a trailer for any of your additional equipment. This beauty features a 12,000-pound GVW and 6-liter V8 gas engine. Now allow me to demonstrate our powerful hydraulic system, operated with a single touch of a button from our cab. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by the dealership or give us a call. We look forward to meeting you and making you a part of our MJ TruckNation family.
Your fleet, your future, our trucks. Welcome to MJ TruckNation. From our home in Riviera Beach, Florida, we supply commercial vehicles across the USA. With an inventory spanning landscape dump trucks, box trucks, and pest control vehicles. But there's more to MJ TruckNation than what you'll spot on the lot. From our body shop to our parts department and our certified service center, we're your complete commercial pit stop. But all that didn't happen overnight. Since our founding in 2004, we've been a family business at heart. And with 3 generations on deck, we've spent the last 20 years expanding our lot, honing our skills, and winning the approval of truck brands like Hino, Fuso, and Isuzu. And with the opening of MJ Collision Center, we continue to find new ways to be your ultimate trucking partner. Today, you'll find our team divided across sales, parts, and service, helping business owners find the perfect addition to their fleet, supplying genuine components that are built to go the distance, and providing the expert maintenance it takes to keep your investment on the road. It's that full-service approach that continues to keep us ahead. We're not just here to get you rolling off the lot, but to support your business as it continues to grow. That means building personal relationships shaped by the needs of you and your fleet. So while our certified mechanics and online systems get you in and out without delay, and our nationwide delivery saves you from a cross-country trip, we're still by your side mile after mile, whatever's around the next bend.
At MJ TruckNation, we're more than a dealership. We're your partners in success. Whether you're starting a fleet or upgrading your business, we're here to support you every step of the way.
Visit us in Riviera Beach or steer over to mjtrucknation.com. Let's get to work on your future today. MJ TruckNation. Your fleet, your future, Our trucks.
On behalf of everyone at MJ TruckNation, I encourage you to support the fight against breast cancer by donating to the Susan G. Komen Foundation of West Palm Beach.
Welcome to MJ Collision Center, restoring your trucks with precision and care. The open road may be tough on your truck, but that's no excuse for time out. As your trusted partner for body repairs and restoration, we bring your commercial vehicle the care and repair its hard work deserves. From minor scratches to major collisions, we're here to get you back on the road safely and efficiently. After all, every day off the road is the day you're not making money. No matter the make or model, count on our frame straightening, dent removal, and cab repair to keep your business rolling. To do exactly that, our collision center is equipped with cutting-edge technology. We make sure your truck is repaired to the highest standards, restoring its performance and appearance. Because when your truck's representing your brand, it's not just the inside that counts. It's the kind of service that comes with choosing commercial specialists. We can even lend a hand with the claims process. After all, you don't want the paperwork keeping you in the pit. And with the support of our authorized parts department, we're ready to swing into action at a moment's notice. But the real powerhouse behind our repairs? It's our team of factory-trained and certified technicians. We treat every truck as if it's our own, because your business depends on it. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from drivers like you.
They know a truck down isn't making any money for a company. And for a small business like mine, getting a truck in and out is of the utmost importance. Getting it done right the first time is always a plus. Thank you guys for making it painless.
At MJ Collision Center, we understand how important your truck is to your business. That's why we focus on fast, reliable repairs without compromising on quality. Our goal is to get you back to work with a truck that looks and performs like new, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business.
Need a repair? Trust the experts at MJ Collision Center. Call us today or visit mjtrucknation.com to schedule your appointment.